truth is, people needed this relief. The truth is that even this reduction which the center has given today goes a really long way in helping the general people in our country. Also, the truth is that the opposition run states have not lifted a finger to support this move of the central government. I feel that you will all have a chance to criticize this or find reasons for it or whatever it is that you might want to do after you have done your bit. Why do you not want to contribute to helping common people lead slightly easier lives after the hard-hitting 1.5 year of COVID? If BJP-run states can give up a little bit of their revenue, why can Congress-run states not do that? Why can states like say TMC run West Bengal or Kerala not do that? And these are the very same states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, they argued heavily against petrol and diesel being included in GST some time back because they said their revenues are going to be very greatly hit. Today, they are talking about GST again. Today, they are talking about minor decrease. And I'm saying minor tongue in cheek because this is actually not a minor decrease. Also, India is moving towards becoming a welfare state. The world has had a tough time for COVID. The center or the state governments, for that matter, have got very few avenues of revenue. Petrol and diesel remains one of them. So I think I'm going to accept all suggestions. I'm going to accept every single thing once all the opposition spokespersons tell me when their state is offering
forget
some
the
kind
opposition spokesperson, though I will allow them to speak. But the reason I had the economists and the public policy experts speak first is to put things in perspective for you. And you heard it very clearly that these are policy matters, policy decisions taken by the center. Let's not shirk off that responsibility, Charu Pragya. It is very much part of centre's prerogative to decide the excise duty. And let me give you Delhi's example. 50% of the petrol price in Delhi is made up of taxes. I'm sure you are aware of this. Excise is 27%. VAT is 23%. But VAT is again a percentage of the overall price. So let's not forget, if the higher the excise, the higher will be VAT automatically. So today when we say that the states are not reducing VAT, VAT has automatically got reduced, hasn't it, ma'am? So what exactly are you expecting the states to do? They have very limited scope and elbow room in this. Let me have the Congress spokesperson respond to you. Okay. Very quickly, Charu, then I go to the other spokespersons. Yes, go ahead.
If 22 states can reduce it, I am very certain the remaining states also can reduce it. Now that is political posturing.
Okay. Gurdeep Singh Sapal, would you like to rebut or respond to that point that Charu Pragya is making, that why aren't the states doing their bit? Some states you have seen have already reduced by 7 rupees. In fact, 17 states have done so. What is stopping the others from following suit?
I will neither rebut nor respond, but I'll try to encourage Charu in taking certain more decisions. Charu, like in Madhya Pradesh, your government has reduced by 1 rupees 27 paisa on petrol. VAT has been reduced by 1 rupees 27 paisa. Neighboring state is Chhattisgarh. To match the rate in Chhattisgarh, will you please further reduce it by 15 rupees 11 paisa? Because that is still the difference between Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. To match the Chhattisgarh price, you'll have to bring it down not by 1 rupees 27 paisa, but another 15 rupees. Or you may even match it with Jharkhand, where you can reduce it further by 19 rupees. Or maybe Punjab, where 16 rupees will be sufficient. Because these are states ruled by Congress party, where the VAT is already so low that after these huge cuts in 17 states, you have not been able to match them. And you forget about these. I can tell you about Tamil Nadu, because you mentioned Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu reduced VAT in August from 34% to, I think, 15%. 34% to 15% on petrol, and it reduced the VAT on diesel from 25% to 11%. So please, in Madhya Pradesh, you have reduced it by 1%. Will you match it in Tamil Nadu? Please, because all these states, I can talk of Rajasthan. Rajasthan cut VAT in February by 2%. I can also talk of non-Congress states like West Bengal. It cut VAT by 2% in February. So these are states not ruled by BJP, ruled by opposition parties, and BJP has to go a very long way to match the rates in this. I must tell you that before this cut happened, both at center and state. The petrol price in Jharkhand was 104 rupees per liter. And after this cut, today in Madhya Pradesh, it is 107 rupees. So you have not even matched the prices in Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh or Punjab even today after this massive cuts. So please, I would like to encourage you to talk to your party that please match the rates in Congress ruled states. These states are already
Right.
at rock
The
bottom.
point is